Hi! If you have quality control issues with your metal injection molding parts or are looking to avoid them, we want to help you. We frequently receive requests from customers working in metal injection molding asking if optical emission spectroscopy is the method they can use to ensure process quality control. Our experts here at our demo lab in Germany regularly analyze samples on behalf of our customers to demonstrate why optical emission spectroscopy can be an ideal building block for quality control of metal injection molding components. It's possible to determine almost all elements in a short measurement time.
We have put together a guide that summarizes our findings from analyzing several steel metal injection molding samples with our OES 750 spark spectrometer and provides insights to help you find an optimal solution. You can download, of course, the guide from our website. When you're ready to talk to us, we encourage you to send your samples to us. So together we can find the best analytical solution for you.